The peace of the Aegean lies in the mountains of Kurdistan. I first heard those words at a Washington think tank in the 90s. An American military officer said he had seen them as graffiti in Athens. Since Kurdistan is my concern, I wrote them down thinking I might need them one day. That day is today. Anatolia lies between the Kurds and the Greeks. Turks live there. They once misruled the Greeks. They are now subjecting us to cultural genocide. The Greeks were lucky. With help from Britain, France, and Russia, they freed themselves from Ottoman rule. No such a luck has visited us. When the Kurds began fighting for their rights in the 80s, Syria and Greece were happy to help. A battered Turkey, they thought, would have less appetite to harass either of them. That is how it looked from the outside. There was another side to the story. When the Republic was founded, secular Turks sought help from conservative Turks and some Muslim Kurds to fight the Armenians and Greeks. Victorious, Ataturk threw his old partners under the bus. He banned Kurdish and, as if mocking us, ordered us to become happy Turks. He also made Turkish last names mandatory. Abdullah Öcalan's family was given the surname Öcalan. It means avenger. In 1984, Abdullah decided to live up to his name. 14 years later, Turkey threatened Syria with invasion unless it expelled Öcalan. When he was kidnapped from Nairobi, a passport was found in his pocket. Öcalan had become Lazarus, a Greek. Lazarus, like Öcalan, is pregnant with meaning. In the Bible, Jesus raises Lazarus from the dead. Our times suggest another resurrection. Netanyahu's decision to shake up the region has given Öcalan a second life. Having lost the Kurds, Erdogan now wants to placate them with a pacifier called Öcalan. He does not want them to play a role in the emerging balance of power. Will it work? I doubt it. Erdogan or his children will eventually realize that Kurdistan, like Greece, is not their father's estate. With love.